Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Your new accountants have been making mistakes in reconciling accounts assigned to them. Your account balances have either spiked or dropped 30 to 40% every period due to human error. This causes delays in reconciliation. What feature can you use to be proactively notified of account anomalies in a more timely manner? Option A. Account Monitor. Option B. Smart View. Option C. Financials reports with embedded charts. Option D. Account Inspector and its charts. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Account Monitor. Question 2. Users with the General Accountant job role have reported that they are unable to access the UK ledger. They require read-write access to the full ledger. The accounting configuration completed successfully. What should you do to allow access to the ledger? Option A. Create a data access set that allows access to the UK ledger. Option B. Assign the UK reference set to the user role combination. Option C. Assign the security context value of UK ledger to the user role combination. Option D. Assign the general accounting manager role to those users. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Assign the UK reference set to the user role combination. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.